Hello everyone, I'm John Cimino, founder and president of In My Father's Kitchen. In My Father's Kitchen is a non-profit organization established to reach those who feel invisible, whether it's the immigrant population here on the north side of Syracuse or the homeless population that lives under the bridges and the interstates of Syracuse, New York. In regard to the homeless population here in Syracuse, those who live under the bridge, In My Father's Kitchen over the past year has served over 500 lunches to 80 individuals twice a week. One thing that we've established at In My Father's Kitchen, going out twice a week, is building relationships and trust with the individuals who live under the bridge. They become our friends. We're their friends. They trust us and they open their hearts up to us to be able to share with them opportunities how to get out of their situation. That sandwich that we bring down there is just a tool in our hand to get into their heart so that they can open up to us so that we can help them get out of that situation. Because In My Father's Kitchen is established as a nonprofit, we strictly rely on the goodness of others who believe in the vision that's in our heart. So we're supported on a monthly basis by friends, families, and people who find out about us through our website by us sending out newsletters to generate revenue to do what we're doing. Just think about it. It only costs $3.75 to do one lunch for one individual on one day. $30 will serve one person lunch 8 times in 1 month. And $360 in a year will serve that one person lunch twice a week for the whole year. If you think about it, $30 a month, you can't even buy a pair of sneakers for $30 a month, but yet we can change a person's life by visiting them 8 times in 1 month with $30. Or that one initial introduction to that person, we meet them for the first time, $3.75. That's like a Starbucks Supreme coffee could change someone's life at a one-time experience, getting lunch one time in an individual. In My Father's Kitchen has become the bridge under the bridge. So far we've been able to lead 8 people across that bridge into a new apartment. We are passionate to see more people take that first step over that bridge into their brighter future.